Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at three bikes that we're going to be putting up for trade that need a bit of lockdown love. Project bikes for the 6 weeks that we have for lockdown. A great idea for one of you guys to have a look at these bikes. So the bikes we have, first one is a Royal Enfield Clipper 250. It's brown book. It's running. I'll cut in a video now of the bike running. I'll just go over the front of it and the back of it. Not going to say too much about it, just going to show you the condition. Tank's all good, side panels original, seat is good, ZV plate, or CLI plate, sorry I should say, even older. 60s bike. Next bike we have is a Honda CX500 with the full Rickman front fairing. This is a brown book bike as well. I'll show you the condition of the tank, kind of thing you can expect. Up over the top, into the rear, everything like that. The bike is running and driving, and I'll cut in a video now of that bike coming up and down driving, stopping and starting. And finally we go on to the Kawasaki Z650, which is also running and driving, going through all the gears, and could do a bit of loving as well. You'll see down the top here is tank, side, the rear of the bike. Tires are good on this one. ZV plate onto the rear, and we'll have accompanying pictures for these bikes as well. So that's the three bikes: Royal Enfield Clipper 250, CX500 and the Kawasaki Z 650 as well. And actually I'll cut down into the back here to show you one more bike that we have that will be good for a project, and it's a VFR 750 down the back here. This one is also starting. I think I can try and find a video of this starting too. If not, rest assured the bike is starting. Missing exhaust, probably needs a rear tire and a few other bits and bobs, the bottom end of the fairing too, but apart from that, a good bike. So that's really it. Those three bikes and the VFR.